When a shortage occurs, it is already too late. That's why I'm stocking up on food while it's still available. This meal can last for months. I put 300 grams of white beans in a pot. I pour water to cover the beans. I put the pan on the stove. From the moment the water boils, I will cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes of cooking, I will strain the beans. I will cut 100 grams of bacon. Write to me in the comments from which country are you watching me. It's nice to know that we are watching each other all over the world. I will cut the onion. I will chop the garlic. I need clean and washed jars. Jars, half full of beans. I add onions. I add garlic. I add bacon. I add salt. Pepper to taste. Half a teaspoon of sweet ground pepper. I add a spoonful of 9% vinegar. If you have 5% vinegar, add 2 spoons. I fill the jar with water, leaving 1 inch of space. I will wipe the top of the jar. I will close the jars with lids. I need a pressure cooker. I put a cloth on the bottom of the pot. I put the jars in the pot. I pour water into the pressure cooker. I will adjust the pressure so that the pressure cooker reaches a temperature of 120 Celsius. Once the pressure cooker reaches temperature, I will cook for 75 minutes. I will leave the jars to cool in the pot. When the jars cool, the center part of the lid must sink. I store the jars in a dark and cool place until use. If you like the recipe, leave me a heart in the comment and a like. Thanks, friends!